Assalamu alaikum. Learn Arabic alphabet in the easiest way. The Arabic alphabet has 28 letters. Arabic is written from right to left. In Arabic, letters are connected to each other except for a few of them. Every letter has its name, its sound, and its shape. The shape of the letter usually changes depending on its place in the word, in the beginning, in the middle, at the end. This is a table of the Arabic letters. Look at these letters. We'll read now them with their sounds. The first one is A. A. This is its sound. The sound of the second letter is Ba. Ba. Ta. Ta. Tha. Tha. Ja. Ja. Ha. Ha. Kha. Kha. Da. Da. Tha. Tha. Ra. Ra. Za. Za. Sa. Sa. Sha. Sha. Sa. Sa. This was sa. This is sa. Da. Da. This was da. This is da. Ta. Ta. This was ta. But this is ta. Dha. Dha. This was the. But this is dha. A. A. Gha. Gha. Fa. Fa. Qa. Qa. Ka. Ka. This is ka, but this is qa. La. La. Ma. Ma. Na. Na. Ha. Ha. Wa. Wa. Or oo. Oo. Yeah. Yeah. Or E. E. Now, let's study these letters one by one.